I like this bronze. I like that this is what they're trying to put out this year, or at least this summer, because Samsung's going to have a new phone or a new device in 2 weeks after that. Um, these won't be a replacement for Galaxy Buds Plus, but will probably be sold alongside those. That's because the Buds Live may be Samsung's first truly wireless pair to feature active. Oh, okay. So ANC. So is this a competitor to AirPods Pro? Yeah, that would make them. Why do I that would make them perfect competitors for Apple's highly successful AirPods Pro, which also have ANC. These look like kidney beans. The official looking promo video leaked on Twitter, which you can see above, seems to confirm the presence of ANC on the Buds Live, even if it doesn't directly mention it. Actually, I have to point this out. My AirPods Pro broke. They broke. They're done. They stopped working. Not all of them. The right this one right here, it stopped working. I went for a walk this morning and I was putting them on, and the right AirPod would not work. And I unpaired it from my iPhone 11 Pro, and then I paired it back. It didn't work. Just the left one worked. So then I tried putting it on my Huawei P40 Pro Plus, and it would connect, but only the left one would work. So I've had these since October or November of 2019, so just a little over half a year. The left AirPod, I know I'm completely changing the topic here, but since we're talking about these kidney beans right here, I also like how Wayfair's here. If you guys haven't noticed, if you heard earlier, I'm moving and I was looking at couches. So disregard this anytime. So anyway, the left AirPods Pro, it's such an awful name for these. The left AirPod was messing up on me already. It was crackling really bad during voice chats, voice calls, and sometimes during specific types of music, they would crackle really bad, and then the right one just stopped working altogether. So I ended up talking to support. Sorry, I'm like propping myself up. I ended up talking to Apple support, and it was pretty easy. I was like, hey, listen, my AirPods got messed up. And they're like, oh, so your right one went bad. I'm like, yeah, well, the right one's bad, but the left one still is crackling. So they're both bad. And I was like, I already tried unpairing it and repairing it. I tried it on my Android phone and it's still not working right. And they're like, okay, we'll replace them for you. So they charged me on my credit card like $200. I thought they were just going to send me a brand new pair, but they're literally sending me a left and a right AirPod Pro. They're not sending me a new case, I don't think. At least that's what it looked like when I got the receipt. But they're sending it to me free of charge. I mean, they charged me on my credit card, but it's just because I need to send the other one back. And then we'll see after that. I've liked these. I think these are a really good pair of truly wireless earbuds, which are called TWEs. If you didn't know, I kept seeing TWE in these articles, and for like the longest time, I had no idea what they stood for. And then I'm like, oh, truly wireless earbuds. Anyway, the only thing about these AirPods Pros is the fit doesn't really fit well after a while. Whatever is used for this silicone, whatever right here, it works well at first. It's a really nice tight seal. And then later on, it kind of loosens up. I don't know. Maybe it's time to try something new. Maybe I'll try these kidney beans right here. So continuing on, let me see here. The official looking promo video leaked on Twitter, which you can see above, seems to confirm, hey, Galaxy Beans. That's what I was saying. Even if it doesn't directly mention it, seems to confirm the presence of ANC. I see. We also get another glance at the Buds design as well as the 3 colors that will be on offer. I totally get these lima bean, kidney bean, whatever. These are, I don't know. Maybe it's time for me to try something new. Samsung is once again choosing not to copy the AirPods design like a lot of its Chinese competitors are doing and go its own way. The Galaxy Buds and Buds Plus look nothing like AirPods, and the Galaxy Buds Live look nothing like the AirPods Pro. The Buds and Buds Plus are extremely comfortable though, so hopefully the same will hold true for the Buds Live, despite their weird appearance. I don't think it really looks that weird. I hate the names of all of these things. Galaxy Buds, Buds Plus, Buds Live, Bud Light, Budweiser, King of Beer, Bud.